Hello there and welcome back to another gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free baking video. How are we doing today? Today I'm going to be making some white cupcakes that are of course going to be gluten-free, lactose-free and yeast-free. You will be needing the following equipment: some scales, a 12-hole muffin or cupcake tray, 12 cupcake cases, a mixing bowl, a wooden spoon or electric hand whisk, a spatula, 2 tablespoons, an ice cream scoop or a tablespoon and a teaspoon, a cake tester, a skewer, a toothpick or a teaspoon handle, and finally a cooling rack. You will also be needing the following ingredients: 150 grams of butter softened, I like to use lactose-free butter, 150 grams of caster sugar, 2 medium-sized egg whites, and finally 150 grams of gluten-free self-raising flour. So, let's go! First things first, measure out and prepare all of your ingredients so that they're completely ready for you to use, and then preheat your oven to 180 degrees C on a conventional oven, 160 degrees C on a fan oven, or gas mark 4. So now that we've done all that, it is now time to prepare our tin. So for this we will be needing our 12-hole cupcake or muffin tin and our 12 cupcake cases. So now all we have to do is place our 12 cupcake cases, once I get them out, into my cupcake or muffin tray, or tin, whatever you want to call it, making sure that none of them have doubled, because that would just be an awful waste of a cupcake case. No, none doubled. So now that this is all done, place it off to the side until we're ready to bake. So now that we've done all that nasty prep work, it is now time to begin actually making our cupcakes. So for this we will be needing our wooden spoon or electric hand whisk, our mixing bowl, our spatula, and all of our ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is add all of my butter to my mixing bowl. Followed by my caster sugar. And I'm also going to add my egg whites and my flour. So now I'm going to mix this lot together until it is well combined and I have a nice smooth batter. You on one? Yes. And now that this is really close to being done, I'm just going to scrape around the sides of my mixing bowl with my spatula so that I lose as little ingredients as possible. There we go. Get off. And now I'm going to mix one final time for good luck. So now that this is all done, we are now going to need our prepared cupcake or muffin tray or tin and whatever we're going to use to get this mixture into our cupcake cases. So now using my tablespoons, I'm evenly going to distribute this mixture between my 12 cupcake cases. So now that this is all done, we are now going to place this into our preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until we insert a cake tester, a skewer, a toothpick or a teaspoon handle and it comes out completely clean. After that time, we are then going to take our cupcakes out of the oven, placing them onto a cooling rack still in their tin or tray for 10 minutes to cool. And then after those 10 minutes are up, we are going to take our cupcakes out of their tray, placing them back onto the cooling rack to cool completely. And that is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out everything in the description, as I love it all and wouldn't put it there if I didn't, including the recipe for these lovely cupcakes, and where you will be able to find the links to buy the flour and equipment you will need for this recipe. If you do make this at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag bakingwithvickiie so that I can see all your lovely creations. Let me know in the comments below of anything else you'd like to see me make gluten, lactose or yeast free, as I do them all. And finally, don't forget to like, leave a nice comment and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. Bye!